Okay students, now look at the classification of sentences. So generally sentences are of 5 kinds, denoting 5 kinds of functions, and this classification is based on the function of sentences. So students, here you can see here in this board the diagram of sentence, and here sentence is divided into 5 parts. First one is assertive sentence, and the second one is interrogative sentence, and the third one imperative sentence, fourth one optative sentence, and fifth one is exclamatory sentence. Okay students, now look at the first part of sentence. It is assertive sentence. So what do we mean by assertive sentence? Look at the definition of assertive sentence. Sentences which state facts, describe things or report are called assertive sentences. So once again, what is assertive sentence? Sentences which state facts, describe things or report are called assertive sentences. So for example, you can say prevention is better than cure, and next example you can say nobody can pump the ocean dry. So here in these two sentences, states are facts. So that's why these are the examples of assertive sentences. Okay. Now come to the second one. The second one is interrogative sentence. So what do we mean by interrogative sentence? Okay, a sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence. For example, you can say, what is your name? Here in this sentence, the query of the speaker is expressed. That's why it is an example of interrogative sentence. Okay, now come to the third one, and the third one we can see here, it is imperative sentence. So what do we mean by imperative sentence? Look at a sentence that expresses a command, a request or an advice is called an imperative sentence. For example, you can say shut the door, and another example you can say please lend me your book. Look at the first example, shut the door. It is an example of imperative sentence. Why? Because here the order of the speaker is expressed. And next example, please lend me your book. Here in this sentence, the request of the speaker is expressed. That's why these are the examples of imperative sentence. Okay, now come to the fourth one, and the fourth one is the optative sentence. So what do we mean by optative sentence? A sentence expressing blessing, fear or desire is called an optative sentence. For example, you can say may you live long, may God bless you. These are the examples of optative sentence. Why? Because here the blessings and wish of the speaker is expressed. That's why these are the examples of optative sentence. Okay, now come to the last but not the least, and it is exclamatory sentence. So what do we mean by exclamatory sentence? A sentence that expresses emotions like joy, sorrow, surprise, etc. is called an exclamatory sentence. For example, what a pity, he died so young. Here in this sentence, the grief of the speaker, the emotion of the speaker is expressed. That's why it is an example of exclamatory sentence. Okay. Okay students, now I want to draw your attention towards this chart. In this chart you can see here some pictures. In the first pictures, here one sentence is written. It is why you have cut your nails. So it is an example of which sentence? Obviously it is an example of interrogative sentence. And in the next one, brush your teeth twice a day. Brush your teeth twice a day. It's an example of imperative sentence because here advice is given. And next, do exercise regularly. It's also an example of imperative sentence because here order of the speaker is expressed. Next, take bath every day. Take bath every day. It is an example of assertive sentence because here state is fact, state is described. Next, what a delicious item it is. In this picture, in this sentence, it is an example of exclamatory sentence. And next, go to the next picture. It is how comic the scene is. So it's an example of exclamatory sentence also. Next picture, what are you writing? So here in this sentence, the query of the speaker is expressed. That's why it is an example of interrogative sentence. And next, look at the next picture. Don't beat the dog. Don't beat the dog or don't harm animals. It's an example of imperative sentence because here the order of the speaker is expressed. And go to the next picture. Here, may you prosper in life. Here in this sentence, the blessings or the wish of the speaker is expressed. That's why it is an example of optative sentence. Come to the next picture. Please throw rubbish in the dustbin. It's an example of imperative sentence. Next, cut your nails and trim your hair regularly. It's an example of assertive sentence because here state or fact is described. And next, the last picture, look at, wash your hands with soap and sanitizer frequently to avoid coronavirus. So it's an example of imperative sentence because here advice of the speaker is expressed. Okay, thank you.